What if I told you there's an AI platform that doesn't just write text, but also makes slides, spreadsheets, podcasts, and even full-on web pages, all in just a few minutes? And here's the kicker, it's open source. Today we're diving deep into Skywork.ai, a next-gen AI suite that's been making big waves in the AI world. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether this is the future of AI productivity or just another overhyped tool. So what exactly is Skywork.ai? Think of it as your all-in-one AI workspace. Instead of jumping between different apps, Skywork gives you 6 specialized super agents, each built for a specific type of content. You've got slides, documents, sheets, podcasts, web pages, and a general agent that handles anything else you throw at it. The idea is simple. Tasks that normally take you hours can now be done in minutes. Sounds bold, right? Let's see how it actually works. Let's go agent by agent. The slides agent generates professional-looking presentations from just a topic. Perfect for pitches, classrooms, or YouTubers who need visuals fast. The sheets agent can build structured spreadsheets and dashboards, which is ideal for startups or anyone working with data. The docs agent writes reports, articles, or strategies, neatly formatted and organized. The podcast agent is perhaps the most impressive. It doesn't just script podcasts, it generates realistic voices with multiple speakers, making it feel like a real conversation. The web page agent is functional, but its designs aren't as polished as tools like Lovable or Volt, though it's great for quick prototypes. And finally, the general agent works as your catch-all assistant for brainstorming, writing, or analysis.
Now you might be thinking, this sounds cool, but there are a lot of AI tools out there. What makes Skywork different? 3 things stand out. First, its open source DNA. Skywork's models are publicly available on GitHub and Hugging Face, including cutting-edge ones like Skywork R1 V2, SkyReels, and Unipic. Second, its multimodal power. These agents don't just handle text, they understand and generate across text, images, and reasoning tasks. And third, the free access is generous. You get 2,500 free credits on sign-up, plus 1,000 daily credits, which means you can try it out without paying a cent. On the strong side, the podcast agent is seriously impressive. Sheets and slides come out professional and usable, and the open-source flexibility means developers can build custom tools on top of it. Head over to Skywork.ai, and on the homepage, click on Try It Now. From here, you'll be asked to sign up. You can quickly continue using your Google account, just a couple of clicks, and you're in. Once you've signed up, you'll land on the Skywork dashboard. This is where everything happens. Right at the top, you'll see the section called Skywork Super Agents, with the tagline, "Built with deep research, designed for reliable writing." Now, in the center, you'll notice a search bar where you can either type in a topic or upload a file. This is the starting point for creating your documents. Just below that, you can pick a template, like research report, business report, academic paper, blog, or even marketing ads. Choosing a template helps the AI structure your content the way you need it. Once that's done, all you need to do is click on the blue Send button on the right, and Skywork will get to work. In the background, it pulls from trusted sources and professional databases to generate content that's accurate, reliable, and ready to use. So, in just a few clicks, from signing up with Google to typing your first topic, you can start creating high-quality documents, slides, or even podcasts right inside Skywork. Skywork first builds a plan. You'll see a checklist of steps like researching applications, ethics, and accessibility, and then drafting the full article. This lets you know what it's about to do and in what order. It then moves into the research phase. A status pill appears that says it's gathering comprehensive research on AI in education, with a live task in progress indicator so you can follow along. On the right, the Skyworks computer panel shows exactly what the agent is doing. You'll see it call professional sources such as Google Scholar, run specific queries, and open results. This transparency helps you understand where the information is coming from. Next, it starts browsing reputable publishers and databases. Think IEEE, Springer, Taylor and Francis, MDPI, and reads abstracts and pages to extract key points. In the left feed, you'll see actions like search web, browse, and aggregate information, while the right panel previews the pages being read in real time. After mapping the landscape, it deepens the search on ethics, accessibility, and policy guidance. You'll notice targeted queries such as policymaker recommendations and funding gaps, plus a summary of key insights it's collected. Document card appears. For example, Future of AI in Education. On the right, an editor opens with a live HTML preview as the article is written, complete with headings, paragraphs, and inline citations. An AI suite that's part productivity booster, part research lab, and part playground for developers. What do you think? Is this a real game changer or just another AI hype cycle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest AI breakdowns. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep pushing the limits of what AI can do.